So, as I told you, we have a funny scene today I want to watch together.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know this film?
I think so.
So we are going to translate. This film is an Arabic film, so we're going to translate from Arabic to English, okay? So do you love
Okay.
translation? You told me before this is your major, so you're going to be
Yes.
perfect.
Mm,
Okay, listen.
سؤال تاني سؤال تاني مين اللي قتل الله يرحمه
Listen again. He said,
الله يرحمه
Allah
the
يرحمه.
second question, Allah yarhamu.
Yes,
الله يرحمه
Allah يرحمه. How can I say Allah يرحمه in English? Faster. ها
God's a
يلا الله يرحمه.
يرحم يعني.
Yes, so we can say, may God have mercy.
Oh, mercy.
Yes, have mercy on them. May God have mercy on them. So,
May God have mercy on him.
do you have another expression?
Okay.
We can say, may God rest his soul. May God rest his soul. Okay, yeah.
Rest.
So rest his soul. How
Rest
can I
his
say
soul.
Allah يرحمه in English?
May God rest his soul.
Or
May God have mercy on him.
on him. On him.
On him. Okay.
Okay.
علي به الكبير مين ما انت يا ابني اللي قتله والله ما انا يا استاذ
ما تنطق يلا ما تنطق يد مين اللي قتله ها
Mm-mm.
لا how can I say انطق 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 يا وفاء quickly what can I say spell it out spell it out
Spell it out.
yes وفاء spell it out tell me who did it who killed him spell it out
Spell it out.
so how can I say انطق انطق يا ابني
Spell it out.
ما انت يا ابني اللي قتله والله ما انا يا استاذ
he said والله ما أنا يا أستاذ والله والله
Wallahi.
so how can I say والله
Wallahi.
والله you can say I swear
I swear.
yes or I swear
Okay.
to God I swear to God
I swear to God.
yes so والله ما أنا يا أستاذ
Uh, I
I
swear to God.
I didn't do it I swear to God I didn't do it
Yeah,
يلا
I just
so وفاء spell it out tell me who killed him
swear to God I didn't do it.
amazing
بقول لك ايه هو مين اللي قتل علي بيه الكبير ده؟
اكيد طالب من مدرسه تانية.
انا ممكن اجاوب يا استاذ.
محدش هيجاوب. ليه كده يا كابتن انت عصبي ليه كده؟
look
ليه كده يا كابتن انت عصبي ليه كده؟
he said انت عصبي ليه كده اهو انت عصبي ليه كده اهو
Why are you aggressive?
yes why are you being so aggressive look why are you being so aggressive
Mhm.
why are you being so aggressive
Why are you being so aggressive?
yeah.
اهو ده احنا بنستعد عشان ندخل المسابقه.
لا مسابقه ولا بتاع، مفيش حد الدور هيتعلم.
كابتن بالراحه.
he said كابتن بالراحة بالراحة
Mm.
how can I say بالراحة
Slowly.
or you can say
No need to get worked up.
Yes, no need to get worked up. No need to get worked up. Or, do you have another expression?
No.
Okay, you can say, let's talk calmly.
Ah,
Let's talk calmly.
let's talk calmly.
يلا how can I say بالراحة in English؟ بالراحة بالراحة.
Let's talk calmly.
Or
No need to get worked up.
worked up. Bravo.
Worked up.
ده انا حضرة الناظر.
He said,
أنا حضرة الناظر.
yes. What is the meaning of ناظر in English?
Um.
Principal. Principal.
Principal.
So what is the meaning of ناظر in English?
Principal.
Or
Headmaster.
the headmaster, yes. يلا He said ده أنا
Headmaster.
حضرة الناصر. So
Headmaster.
I'm the
Or,
headmaster.
I'm the headmaster.
Or
Or principal.
I'm the principal. Bravo.